Hi everyone at Collision, my name is Quint and I am a drummer from Swansea. I'm just making this video to introduce myself as an artist with Collision Drumsticks. I've been playing drums since I was 11 years old. I started in school playing musicals and just having drum lessons. Not sure about what direction I wanted to go in with music, to be honest. I've been in a couple of bands, but in 2020, during the lockdown period, I joined a band, my current band called The Fiends. We're a four-piece alt-rock indie with a post-punk edge band from Swansea in sunny South Wales, and we've not long released our debut EP, which has accumulated over 100,000 streams on Spotify alone. We've recently been picked up by a management company, best known for managing Catfish and the Bottlemen, so we're really excited about that and what it brings. I am currently using the amazing and the most durable Collision 5BR series. I love these sticks because they have a lovely, nice thickness and a nice weight balance in them. And to be honest, the extra reach for someone like me with really short arms does go a long way, especially when I'm, playing in all sorts of different venues and stuff like that. I've been with Collision for about 3 years, and to be honest, I've used a couple of sticks, in between when I've had to, and I've always said how much I missed using my Collision sticks, and as soon as I could get back onto them, I did. It just seems to be really inconvenient, but got to get a few more sets in. But yeah, I'm really happy to be part of the Collision Drumsticks team, and yeah, I will never go back anywhere else. The community itself is good, and the team, especially Carlton, really look after you. Anytime you need them, they're there to have a chat with you, there to have a call, whatever. They're really supportive, and especially for myself, trying to excel in music and in bands. In my band, it's really good to have a team like that behind you. I'm now gonna forward you on to a video of me playing one of the songs of my EP with my band. This song is Talk Soon, and is the debut track of our first EP called Mazel Tov. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and see you all soon. Take care.
Like a candle in the wind, sinking pine after pine, looking for something to feel. Or maybe a little stronger. Well, who am I to say? I guess we deal with things differently, and that's okay. But I'm sure we will talk soon. Talk soon, 'cause this is all a pantomime, and he's behind you. I see you clutching his throat.